Welcome back to Historic Coin, the channel where history lives in your hands. Today we have something truly fascinating for all the coin lovers, collectors, and curious minds out there. In your screen right now is a small but powerful piece of currency, the 10-sen coin from Malaysia. But don't let its size fool you. This coin is packed with symbolism, national pride, and a design that reflects deep cultural heritage. We're going to dive into the hidden meanings, the fascinating design choices, and the surprising facts behind this seemingly simple coin. Did you know that even the lines and dots on the back have meaning? By the end of this video, you'll never look at a coin the same way again. So stay with me till the end, because we're about to explore the story of the 10-sen coin. And trust me, you don't want to miss a second of it. Basic introduction to the coin. The coin we're looking at is the 10-sen coin of Malaysia, minted in the year 2021. Sen is the subunit of the Malaysian ringgit, with 100 sen making up 1 ringgit. This coin is part of Malaysia's fourth series of coins introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia, the central bank of the country. At first glance, it may seem like just another modern coin, but it actually represents Malaysia's identity, culture, and modern outlook. It's used daily by millions, yet few truly know its background and design significance. The coin is made from nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny silver appearance. But beyond its material, this small piece of metal is a storyteller. And it's time we listen. Obverse Design Explanation. On the obverse, or front side of the coin, you'll notice several key elements. At the center is the denomination 10 sen, clearly stating the coin's value. Just above the number is the mint year, 2021 in this case. To the left of the number is a hibiscus flower, Malaysia's national flower, known locally as Bunga Raya. It's a symbol of courage, life, and rapid growth. Above the hibiscus is a stalk of rice, representing agriculture and food security in Malaysia. And around the edge of the coin, you see the text Bank Negara Malaysia, which is the issuing authority. These elements may seem simple, but each was chosen deliberately to reflect aspects of Malaysian life and pride. Reverse Design Explanation. Now let's flip the coin and explore the reverse side, which is where things get even more interesting. The design is a blend of modern aesthetics and traditional Malaysian motifs. At the top, you'll see a geometric pattern that looks like a woven textile. This represents the traditional weaving technique known as Songket. It's not just decoration, it reflects the richness of Malaysia's textile heritage. Beneath it are lines and dots arranged in a pattern that represents musical rhythm, unity, and harmony among Malaysia's diverse ethnic groups. Every detail has a purpose. This side of the coin celebrates Malaysia's journey from tradition to modernity. Symbolism of the hibiscus. The hibiscus, or Bunga Raya, is not just a pretty flower. It was declared Malaysia's national flower in 1960. Its 5 petals symbolize the 5 principles of Rukun Negara, the national philosophy of Malaysia. These principles are belief in God, loyalty to the king and country, supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, and courtesy and morality. By placing the hibiscus on the coin, Malaysia reinforces its identity and unity. The coin thus serves as a mini-poster of national values, quietly reminding citizens of the ideals that bind them together every time they make a purchase. Role of Bank Negara Malaysia. Bank Negara Malaysia, featured on the coin, is the central bank responsible for issuing currency in the country. Established in 1959, it plays a crucial role in maintaining monetary stability and promoting economic growth. Including the bank's name on the coin not only authenticates it, but also gives weight to its economic significance. Every time you see this name on a coin, you're seeing the trust and credibility that backs the Malaysian financial system. It's a silent stamp of stability. an assurance that the economy is under watchful and capable eyes. Design philosophy of the Fourth Series. This 10-sen coin is part of Malaysia's Fourth Series of coins, introduced in 2012. The entire series was designed with a theme of distinctively Malaysia. This theme celebrates the nation's rich culture, heritage, and natural beauty. The design philosophy was to reflect Malaysia's progress while honoring its traditions. Each coin in the series, from 5 sen to 50 sen, incorporates elements like textiles, dances, flora, and instruments. The 10 sen, with its Songket motif and rhythmic dot pattern, perfectly embodies this vision of blending the old with the new, metal composition, and durability. You might be surprised to know that this small coin has been engineered for durability. It is made from nickel-plated steel, a material chosen for its resistance to wear and corrosion. Coins go through a lot: dropped, passed from hand to hand, jostled in pockets. So they need to be strong. Nickel plating also gives the coin a bright finish, making it easy to distinguish from other coins in low light or fast transactions. This metal choice is cost-effective for the government and practical for the people. It's an unsung hero of public design. Cultural significance of weaving motif. The reverse design features a traditional weaving pattern that resembles a Songket, a fabric woven with gold or silver threads. This textile is a source of pride in Malaysian culture and is often worn during official ceremonies and celebrations. By featuring this on the coin, the designers are acknowledging the deep roots of Malaysia's craftsmanship. It's also a tribute to the skill and labor of artisans who keep this cultural legacy alive. The coin, in essence, becomes a museum piece that people carry in their wallets. Accessibility features. Another impressive aspect of this coin is its accessibility. Look closely and you'll see a series of raised lines and dots. These are tactile features to help visually impaired individuals identify the coin by touch. Not many countries put this level of thought into coin design. Malaysia's inclusion of these features shows a commitment to inclusivity and equality. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the lives of many people. In this way, the coin is not just a monetary tool but a thoughtful social instrument. The coin in everyday life. In Malaysia, the 10-sen coin is commonly used in small purchases. Vending machines, parking meters, bus fares, and change for cash transactions. While digital payments are on the rise, coins like these remain crucial for millions who depend on physical currency. The coin serves not only an economic purpose, but also a social one, bridging rural and urban, rich and poor. It circulates through all layers of society, making it a truly democratic object. Holding it means holding a piece of a nation's daily heartbeat. Collector's perspective. For coin collectors or numismatists, the Malaysian 10-sen coin is a prized item, especially if it's in uncirculated or mint condition. Some collectors look for errors in minting like off-centers, double strikes, or unique flaws, which can make a coin significantly more valuable. Others collect by year to track design evolution and policy changes. This coin, though recent, will one day be a historical artifact, and collectors today are the historians of tomorrow, preserving not just currency but context. Social, political, and artistic. Conclusion and viewer engagement. So next time you hold a 10-sen coin in your hand, take a moment to appreciate the thought, culture, and identity embedded in it. It's more than change. It's a symbol of Malaysia's journey through time. From ancient weaving traditions to modern tactile designs, this coin tells a story few stop to notice. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon on Historic Coin, where every coin has a story, and every story brings us closer to history. Drop a comment below if you have a Malaysian coin or want us to cover another one. Thanks for watching, and remember, history is just a coin away.